Alright, dog. We captured Steven's veteran coating skill. Ready to learn the job?
Ready. I have the coating sequence. Which workpiece are we running?
Suspend the cabinet. Start with the outer right region.
Understood. Approaching work position. Spray off.
Good. Now set the arm and face the spray head toward the surface.
Working pose established. Surface relative orientation. Ready.E.
Your position is a little too far left. Move right, about 30 millimeters.
Correcting position. 30 millimeters right. Save this correction?
Yes, save it as calibration.
Calibration saved. Ready for the coating pass.
Dry run first, no paint. Dry run, lateral scan, reposition, return scan, trajectory complete. Looks good. That's the motion we want.
Robot recipe verified?
Verified. Next, we'll run the coating trial and inspect the result.
Understood.
AI proposes, we verify.
And then I execute.